Make bread pakoras, I have taken 2 eggs, some sugar, salt, turmeric powder, green chilies, coriander leaves, and onions. First of all, I have chopped the onions very well. Chopped the coriander leaves and green chilies very well. Now I have to mix this all together very well. Now I have blended 2 eggs into the mixture. Now I have added some salt, then some sugar, then turmeric powder. Now I am adding the Maggi masala. I have to mix all this very well. Now I have soaked the breads and added to the mixture. Mix this again very well. Now add some oil to the pan. After the oil is hot enough, I have added the doughs one by one. After these are fully fried, now it is ready to be served on a plate.